Hey, this is Teresa, Team Department, Pulaski County Library. Today we're looking at the just a little mini coloring doodle journal. Now you can make them bigger if you want or whatever size you want to. We just took the little mini composition books, and as you can see, you can just doodle with them, and I'm going to show you the stickers I've put in there, or actually just glued them. The what I done for the closure was I took like a hair tie, and then I just stapled it, part of it to the back. You staple it on this side, on the outside of it, and then that's a closure for you if you want that. You don't have to have that, but if you want like a closure, just to close it up like that, okay? So we used just the little mini composition books, and I just went on the computer and just printed off some things that you can cut out. So I used the scissors here to cut those out, just printed them off the computer. You can find them. They're under like scrapbook tags or stuff like that, because I use a lot of these in the scrapbooks. So, and that sort of thing. And you can take your glue stick and just glue it into some of the pages. And then you can color them. You can write something in them. Some of them have where you can write in them, like this. And here's another one, like that. And then I also printed off like some little pictures, little coloring pictures that have inspirational things on it that you can color, and also just like little tags to write stuff in, and color as well. So it's mostly just a doodle book, and you can keep notes in there, something to take out and color. Like I said, you can use markers and coloring sticks and coloring pencils and crayons. It's a real easy little thing to do, and it's really fun to just sit and pick different colors and just mess with it a little bit. It's a neat little craft, neat little thing to have. Thank you.